Yeah, I don't think that Evolve Nutrition is going to be open for business tomorrow.
A powerful winter storm hit communities from the plains and Midwest to the Tennessee Valley on Tuesday and Wednesday, wreaking much havoc. On Wednesday morning, snow fell in the Appalachians ahead of the latest round of winter weather in the Mid-Atlantic region and parts of the Southeast. Lexington's Highway Department began pre-treating the road Monday and will continue through Tuesday evening. Fayette County is under a winter storm warning issued from 7 p.m. Tuesday through noon Wednesday, with 2 to 5 inches of snow. It can be seen in several videos circulating on social media that a number of areas have experienced extreme weather in the last few days.
Yeah, I thought Michigan was...
Well, it's about 4:30 a.m. Our winter storm is here.
And this is an hour later at 7:43.
I had to run out and the roads weren't bad, and I've been home for maybe an hour and now they're covered, so.
Yeah, I don't think that Evolve Nutrition is going to be open for business tomorrow. We are getting this winter snowstorm. It's been snowing like this for...
You motherfucker.
Some areas in eastern Kentucky are expected to see snowfall as high as that forecast, just days after being hit by flooding. The National Weather Service in Louisville also issued a cold weather warning from 1 to 11 a.m. on Thursday. Temperatures could reach -5 degrees. The authorities appeal to the entire community to remain vigilant and careful in carrying out outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit their area over the last few days.
So the snowstorm is here. Y'all stay safe.
We've not had a lot of snow, have we? So this is beautiful. It's like a snow globe. Let's see if we can walk.
My current situation here in beautiful Missouri, supposed to get up to 6 or 8 inches. Yay!
Yeah, I thought Michigan was bipolar. Good morning.
So last night we had crazy flooding all around the area. There were vehicles ran off of the road.